Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain particular integral of method 4. So particular integral of f d of y equal to e power ax into y. So here q of x is in the form of e power ax into v. So here v is function of x. So where v is a function of x. Function of x. So therefore particular integral pi equal to 1 by f of d into e power ax into v. So this can be written as e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. So this is the particular integral of method 4. So I repeat, particular integral of f d of y equal to e power ax into v. So here v is a function of x. Then particular integral equal to e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. So coming to the problems, I will explain problems. First problem, d minus 1 whole cube into y equal to e power x into cos 2x plus x square. So this is our given problem. So here f d of y equal to e power ax into v. So here v equal to cos 2x plus x square, and here e power ax, here a equal to 1. So first to find the auxiliary equation, that is complementary function. So auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. So f of m means m minus 1 whole cube equal to 0. So the roots of m are 1 comma 1 comma 1. So the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. So complementary function y equal to 3 roots are real. So e power mx into c1 plus c2x plus c3 x square. So this is our complementary function. So here m equal to 1. So complementary function equal to e power x into c1 plus c2x plus c3 x square. So to find particular integral of given problem, so that is 1 by f of d into e power ax into v. So that is nothing but e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. Okay, so here 1 by f of d, so that is d minus 1 whole cube into e power x into cos 2x plus x square. Okay, so that this can be written as e power x into 1 by, here in place of d plus a. So here a value is 1. So d plus 1 and here minus 1 whole cube equal into cos 2x plus x square. So d plus 1 minus 1 cancel. E power x into 1 by d cube of cos 2x plus x square. So that is e power x into 1 by d cube of cos 2x plus 1 by d cube into x square. So first term is in the form of method 2. So therefore method 2, substitute d square equal to minus a square. So here d square equal to minus a square. So that is minus 4. So e power, here 1 by d of x square equal to integration of x square, that is x cube by 3, and 1 by d square of x square equal to 1 by d of x square, that is integration of x cube by 3. So that is 1 by 3 into x power 4 by 4, x power 4 by 12. So therefore 1 by d square of x square equal to x power 4 by 12. So 1 by d cube of x square equal to 1 by d cube of x square. So 1 by d of 1 by d square of x square. So that is integration of x power 4 by 12. So 1 by 12 into integration of x power 4 is x power 5 by 5. So that is x power 5 by 60. So substituting these. So integration of cos 2x equal to sin 2x by 2. So substituting these values, e power x into minus 1 by 4 sin 2x by 2 plus x power 5 by 60. So therefore our particular integral e power x into minus sin 2x by 8 plus x power 5 by 60. So therefore general solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So therefore y equal to e power x into c1 plus c2x plus c3x square plus e power x into minus sin 2x by 8 plus x power 5 by 60. So this is our required general solution of given problem. Next problem, d square minus 2d plus 4 into y equal to e power x into sin x. So d square, first to write auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0. So m square minus 2m plus 4 equal to 0. So here by using minus b plus or minus square root of d square minus 4ac formula. So minus b minus into minus here plus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus. So therefore m equal to 2 plus or minus 4i by 2. So that is 1 plus or minus 2i. So here alpha equal to 1 and beta equal to 2. So therefore complementary function y equal to e power alpha x into cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So our required complementary function, that is e power x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Next to find particular integral, that is 1 by f of d into e power ax into v. So this can be written as e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. So here 1 by f of d value d square minus 2d plus 4 into e power x into sin x. So this can be written as e power x into 1 by, so in place of d, here d plus a. So here a value is 1. So this is d plus 1 whole square minus 2 into d plus 1 plus 4 into sin x. So e power x into, so a plus b whole square. So d square plus 1 plus 2d minus 2d minus 2 plus 4 into sin x. So e power x into 1 by plus 2d minus 2d cancel. So 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. So d square plus 3 into sin x. So this is in the form of method 2. 1 by d square plus a square into sin x. So substitute here d square equal to minus a square. So that is minus 1. So e power x into 1 by, in place of d square here minus 1 plus 3 into sin x. So e power x into 1 by 2 of sin x. So therefore our required particular integral e power x by 2 into sin x. So coming to the general solution, that is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So here e power x into cos c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus particular integral e power x by 2 sin x. So this is our required general solution of given problem. Next problem, d square minus 2d plus 1 into y equal to x square e power 3x. So first to find auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0. So that is m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. So m square minus m plus 1 equal to 0. So m into m minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore roots are m equal to 1 comma 1. So these roots are real and equal. So therefore complementary function, that is equal to e power x into c1 plus c2x. Next, to find the particular integral. So particular integral 1 by f of d into e power ax into v. So this is e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. So therefore 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1 into e power 3x into x square. So in place of d, here substitute d plus 3. So d plus a is nothing but here d plus 3. So e power 3x into 1 by d plus 3 whole square minus 2 into d plus 3 plus 1 into x square. So e power 3x, here a plus b whole square, that is d square plus 9 plus 6d minus 2d minus 6 plus 1 into x square. So e power 3x into 1 by d square 6d minus 2d. So that is 4d, 9 minus 6, 3 plus 1, 4 into x square. So e power 3x into, so this belongs to method 4. So that is 1 by, here I am taking 4 is common, then we get 1 plus d square plus 4d by 4. 1 by 1 plus d square plus 4d by 4 into x square. So e power 3x by 4 into, this can be written as 1 plus d square plus 4d by 4 in whole power minus 1 into x square. So here this can be expanded by using the formula, that is 1 plus x whole power minus 1. So 1 plus x whole power minus 1 formula, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 and so on. So here first to find d of x square equal to 2x. Okay, d of x square 2x. Next, d square of x square 2 and d cube of x square 0. So d power 4 of x square 0. So and so on. So expansion will be taken only for d square term because remaining terms are zeros. So therefore e power, so here e power 3x by 4 into 1 minus x, 1 minus d square plus 4d by 4 plus x square. So d square plus 4d by 4 whole square into x square. So e power 3x by 4, 1 minus, here d square by 4, minus into minus plus 4d by 4. So that is d plus, here first term a plus b whole square. So 1 by 16 is common. So a square d power 4. So that is 0 plus 2ab, 2 into 4 16 d cube, 2 into 4 8 d cube, that is also 0. Next b square 16 d square, 16 d square into x square. So e power 3x by 4, 1 into x square minus 1 by 4 into d square of x square plus d of x square plus 16 by 16 1, that is d square of x square. So e power 3x by 4 into x square minus 1 by 4 into, so here d of x square 2x and d square of x square 2. So 1 by 4 into d square of x square. So d square of x square value 2, d of x square 2x and also d square of x square 2. So e power 3x into, e power 3x by 4 into x square minus 1 by 2 plus 2x plus 2. So here 2x, 2 minus 1 by 2. So that is 3 by 2. So e power 3x by 4 into x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2. So this is our required particular integral. So general solution y equal to CF plus PI. So here y equal to, so complementary function e power x into c1 plus c2x plus e power 3x by 4 into x square plus 2x plus 3 by 2. This is our required general solution. So next one, d minus 1 whole cube into y equal to e power x into x plus 1. So here auxiliary equation m minus 1 whole cube equal to 0, then m equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. So therefore complementary function e power x into c1 plus c2x plus c3 x square. So coming to the particular integral, that is 1 by f of d into e power ax into v. So e power ax into 1 by f of d plus a into v. So e power 1 by, here f of d is d minus 1 whole cube into e power ax. So e power x into x plus 1. So e power x into 1 by, here a value is 1. So d plus 1 minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1. So here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. That is e power x into 1 by d cube of x plus 1. So here e power x into 1 by d cube of x plus 1. So 1 by d cube is nothing but integration. So first 1 by d. 1 by d equal to integration of x plus 1. So that is x square by 2 plus integration of 1 dx is x. Next 1 by d square is integration of x square by 2 plus x. So that is x cube by 3. So x cube by 6 plus x square by 2. Next 1 by d cube. Integration of x cube by 6 plus x square by 2. So x power 4 by 6 into 4 24 plus x cube by 3 into 2 6. So 1 by d cube of x plus 1 value x power 4 by 24 plus x cube by 6. So therefore our required particular integral e power x into x power 4 by 24 plus x cube by 6. So general solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So here complementary function e power x into c1 plus c2x plus c3x square plus e power x into x power 4 by 24 plus x cube by 6. So this is our required general solution of given problem. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.